What's up? What's up? What's up, my mind, your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market. The stock market was open for a few hours today and things went really good, in my opinion, right? It says the S&P 500 and Dow post gains and close out the best month of 2024. That's a good thing, right? So let's get into the article. It shouldn't be too long. It says stocks posted solid gains as Wall Street put the finishing touches on one of its best months of the year. And this is being said after Nvidia gave its earnings report. It took a hit while stocks were on the decline a couple of days this week. You know, I took big hits to my portfolio, and today we rebounded a little. It says the S&P 500 rose 0.6% while Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.4%. Both indexes closed out November with their best monthly performances of the year. Wow. Like, if you just started looking into the stock market this month, especially earlier this week, late last week, you would think that the stock market is not the place to be. But that's not true. You have your ebbs and your flows. You have your ups and your downs. But that's why, for me, investing is a long-term job. It's actually a job. Investing is a job. But it's a job that I'm in control of, right? So it says the NASDAQ added 0.8% Friday as an abbreviated trading day, with the stock closing at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and the bond market an hour later. So it says investors were looking to see how much shoppers are willing to spend on gifts for the holidays. They keep you guys spending money. Well, that's what companies do. We all spend money. I spend money too. I just budget. Black Friday unofficially kicked off the holiday shopping season, although retailers had been offering early deals for weeks. Macy's and Best Buy each gained around 2%. Apple rose 1.1%. The technology giant is hoping recently added artificial intelligence features are enough to entice customers to treat themselves or their relatives to new iPhones for the holidays. Yeah, go buy those iPhones. I mean, I invest in Apple, so the more you buy from Apple, the more money I make. And hopefully you're making as well. You know, why buy a product and not invest in the company and make money? Smart, right? Said the Dow rose 7.5% in November, easily its best month of 2024. The Walt Disney Company has the biggest percentage gain for the month at 22.1%. But the price weighted index also got a boost from Goldman Sachs, up 17.5% to $608.57. Wow. And Salesforce up more than 13% to $329.99. That's a lot. The S&P 500 gained 5.7% this month, driven by Tesla and other stocks that received a boost from Donald Trump's win in the presidential election. Yeah, Tesla's up big time. Big time. Like, Tesla went up today 3%. 3.69% actually, $12.27. Year to date, I remember when Tesla was in the red earlier this year. Year to date, Tesla is up 38.91%. That's a good return on your investment. That's more money on my investment, my money that I'm putting into Tesla stock, than I'm getting from the bank that holds my savings. Think about it, people. Okay. Discover Financial Services leads a list of financial stocks that had a good November, up nearly 23% for the month despite a small loss on Friday. Again, these companies, these stocks, these indexes, these funds are gaining 20, 10, 15, 5, hundreds of percent returns on the investment. And a lot of Americans are not participating. Investors believe the credit card company's merger with Capital One has a greater chance of going through under Trump's administration, and overall the financial services industry faces less restrictive oversight. Tesla shares rose 3.7%, like I just said, 3.69, but 3.7% Friday, and posted a monthly increase of more than 38%. The electrical vehicle maker is expected to benefit from CEO Elon Musk's support of Trump. And Doge, not just Dogecoin, but look it up. That's what Elon is working on with President-elect Trump. I was trying to look for something really quickly as far as what I wonder if Doge, DOGE, will also do anything to Dogecoin. What does Doge stand for? Department is something. Dang, what is it? I'm trying to find it. Hold on, give me a minute. I can't find it. Doge and President-elect Trump. Dang, I heard them talk about it. Plan to do with Doge. Here's the House committee. Because President-elect Trump has tapped Elon Musk to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge. But then you also have the Dogecoin. I don't know why I looked this up. But I just remember, I don't know if it was last year, maybe 2 years ago, where Elon went on Twitter and said something about Dogecoin and the price of the coin went up. Yeah, never mind. Anyways, Musk also gave a boost to Hasbro shares after he triggered takeover speculations when he asked in a post on X how much the toy and game company was worth. Hasbro, which owns the role-playing game Dungeons and Dragons, rose 2%. Bond yields fell, with the yield on the 10-year Treasury slipping to 4.19%. Bitcoin, which has already made a run at $100,000, before dropping back, briefly rose above $98,000, but was recently trading around 97,300. Wow, that's still a lot. Okay, global markets mostly fell. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 index fell 0.4% after the government reported the inflation in Tokyo, considered an indicator for national trends, was 2.6% in November, up from 1.8% last month, mainly due to the surge in fresh food prices. Chinese markets advanced. Hong Kong Hang Seng Index gained 0.3%. Meanwhile, Shanghai Composite Index rose 0.9%. Gains in retailer stocks drove market gains after a two-day meeting in Beijing focused on promoting consumption ended on Thursday. Well, just know that the global market also impacts the U.S. market. So let's take a look. Nvidia rose 2.15% today, closing out at $138.25. They rose $2.91 today. Not bad. Apple gained over 1% today, closing out at $237.33 with a gain of $2.40 for the day. VTSAX, Vanguard's total stock market fund, gained 0.52%, closing out at $145.89, 75 cents for the day. SPLG, my S&P 500 ETF, closed at a 0.64% gain today, closing out at $70.89. My FTEC, Information Technology ETF, closed out today at 1%, at $185.27. Palantir closed out at 1.56% gain today, $67.08. So yeah, the market did pretty good today. I was in the green. I earned some money today, which is a great thing. Oh, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Any and all information in my videos and on my channel is for entertainment purposes only, and gives my opinions, where I give my opinions. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your monies into the stock market. So yeah, that is all for today. I think I may go to the gym. I'm not sure yet. I'm feeling lazy, but I'm going to push myself. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Check out my other videos. I'm also talking about other topics, about what we Americans are wasting our money on, our biggest problems when it comes to investing, you know, so on and so forth. I'm thinking that maybe it's a good idea to talk about more things other than just investing. All right, so you guys take care. Have a blessed day, great weekend. Peace.